This is Sir Abdur Rehman. In this video, I'm going to explain how to attempt the topic set question of year 2022. And I have taken, there are uh, 4024 paper 1, variant 1 of November and 2022. There is question number 9 for this series. I will explain how to attempt this question, and then I will explain how to attempt the question number 4 from 4024, paper 2, variant 2 to number 2022. Now, first, I'm going to explain how to attempt this question number 9 of 4024, paper 1, variant 1 of number 2022. So in this question, in the Venn diagram, shade the region represented by A intersection B. First, you should know what is the symbol and the symbol and its meaning. So this is a symbol. This symbol is for intersection. Intersection means you have to take all the common elements. All the common elements of set A and the set B. So look at into the Venn diagram. In the Venn diagram, this region is the common region of set A and the set B. So you have to shade this region for A intersection B. This region is for intersection B here. This question was a 1 mark question here. Now in question number 9, part B. The Venn diagram shows information about the number of students who study English denoted by E, Spanish denoted by S, and German denoted by G here. So the Venn diagram for this information. Find the number of students who study English and German. English and German, but not Spanish. So mark the part, the students who study English and German. In first mark the part this English and German. This part is for the students who study English and German. There are 7 students who study English and German. But if we read for further information is given here, but not Spanish. Number of students who study English and German, but not Spanish. So, but in this case, I have taken 2. 2 is the part of Spanish. So don't take the part 2 here. So there are only 5 students who study English and German, but not Spanish. So the answer will be 5 here, and don't forget to write answer in the answer space. This is also 1 mark question. Now, in the second part, in the part 2, this is N of G union S, the whole complement. Find the number of students. N is the symbol for number. Now, and in this case, we can say it is N is for number of students. So it is the number of students, suppose. And you should know the meaning of G union S complement. G union S complement means without G union S. So G union S complement. G union S complement means without G union S, or we can say G union S complement means universal minus the part G union S. And you should know the region of G union S. If it is a diagram here, suppose this is E, this was English, E, This was G, this was Spanish. So G union S is this is the part of G union S. German and Spanish. You have to subtract all the students of German and who study German and Spanish from the universal set. Universal means all. So we have to subtract all number of students who study German and Spanish from the total students. Total represented by rectangle. So we have to subtract this. First, I have to remove the solution of part one. For G union S complement. G union S complement means G union S complement means not. Don't take not. The symbol is for not. Don't take G union S. So the students who are studying German, who take the German students, is also studying German. He's also studying German and English both. He's also studying German, Spanish and German. He's also studying Spanish only. He's also studying English and Spanish. We don't take the students who are studying German and Spanish. So uh, there are 11 students who is not studying English, who is not studying German and Spanish, and 4 students is also not studying the language German here. So 11 plus 4 is 15 is the final answer. This is also one more question. 15. 11 plus 4. Now move on. Next paper, which is this was 402411 October 2022. Next paper is 4024 paper 2 variant 2 October November 2022. You can use calculator in this paper. This is question number 4 of this paper. And in part A, there are some symbol. And this is the this we use this symbol is for the universal set, and you have to take all the elements from this universal set for P and Q. Be careful. So note down, this is the symbol of universal set. And there is a keyword integer. And what is the meaning of integer? Integer means integer. I am going to list down the integers. So minus integers. So -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. So you should know the integers and you should know how to read this inequality. It means you can read x is in between 10 and 40 inclusive. I'm going to repeat x in between 10 and 40 inclusive. X is an integer in between 10 and 40 inclusive. So you should take 10. Then next integer 11, 12, 13, 14 till the last integer is 40 is also inclusive because there is equal to sign here. Now the set P is X is a multiple of 6. Multiple of 6 means 6, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 30, 36, and so on. But you have to take the range in between 10 and 40. The multiple of 6 in between 10 and 40, which will be 10, 6, don't take 6, 12, start from 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. And next is 42, but don't take 42 because the range till 40 here. Now, square number. square number here. Square number. So square number, what are the square number? Square number are 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, and so on, 7 square, so on. So we can take a square number, but a square number you have to take within the range. So one is, I'm going to start from, this is 1 square is 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, but you have to take the square numbers within the range. So within the range, the square number within the range are 16 till 36. So square number are 16, 25, and 36. Now write down the elements of P union Q. P union Q, we have to remove this. P union Q here. Union means unite, or you can say common and uncommon elements. You have to take common and uncommon elements of set P and Q. And uncommon elements of P and Q. So first we have to take the common element of P and Q, which is 36. So 36 is the common element of set P and Q. I'm going to mark this. Then write down uncommon, which are 12, 16, 18, 25. So going to start for elements of P union Q, which will be 12, yes, 12, 16, uncommon element of set P and Q, then 18, 25, or in order, write down in order 24 first, then write 25, 12, 16, 18, 24, 25, then 30, and 36. This is one mark question here. You can write directly, okay? Now, in the second part, find n of P complement intersection Q. You should remember what is this. N means, n is the number of elements. In this case, number of elements. In this case, not number of students. In this case, number of elements. And intersection means common, or you can say just the symbol of common. Intersection, the symbol of common. So P complement, and what is P complement? P complement means P naught. This is P complement. This symbol is complement. P complement. P complement means P naught. P naught means the opposite of P. So look at the P. Set P is the multiple of 6. So we can say P naught is the set of not multiple of 6. And the set Q, or the square number here given here is the set Q is the square number already here. Now, you have to find number of elements which is the not multiple of 6 and square number. Not multiple of 6 and square number. So I'm going to look at into the square number. These are the square, 3 square numbers here. And this 33 is the multiple of 6 because it is divided by 6 here. So, and 25 and 16 are square number and not multiple of 6. So we can say there are only numbers, two numbers. We have to find a number of elements. So answer is 2. Two numbers, which is 16 and 25, which are 2. 16 and 25 are the set, was the B complement intersection Q, but in this examination, examiner is asking about number of elements, number of P complement intersection Q, which is 2, because there are 2 elements which is not a multiple of 6 and square number. Now part B. In this part B, use set notation to describe the shaded region in the Venn diagram. So you have to describe the set notation of this Venn diagram, the shaded region. But you should know there is no shading in part B. It means what is the meaning of this? Suppose this is part B, part C, and part D here. So B complement without shading here. So this is B complement here. The purple is B complement. And this part, this is the partially D union C, because look at. So if the purple, the red, and this fawn color, this color, the different color, this is the combination of this region is the combination of different color. So look at this region is the this region is the combination of 2 colors. So this part, the whole part, the red part was the red part was the D union C part, the red line. The red lines represent D union C. And the common part, which is the common region is the region common, because common part of red, 2 different colors, red and fawn. So these are the common part. Common means intersection. So write down the symbol of intersection here. Intersection. So the shaded region represented by B complement intersection D union C, or we can say D union C intersection B complement. So now the part C here. In the part C, there is a Venn diagram here, and the information is in a college, students can study French, denoted by F, Spanish, denoted by S, and Arabic, denoted by A. A group of 25 students are asked which languages they study. Some of the results are shown in the Venn diagram. So in this Venn diagram, you have to use this information to complete the Venn diagram. It means you have to write down the integer here, some integers. Focus on the first line. The first line is all students who study both Arabic and Spanish also study French. all students who study both Arabic and Spanish, so Spanish and Arabic, uh, also study French. The common region of wait a minute. The common region of Spanish and Arabic is this is the common region. This is the common region of Arabic and Spanish. But in this region, one students study French, but it's in this region, no students study French, so we have to put 0. Now, 7 students study French only. 7 is only. Be careful. This region is for the only. This is only region here. This only region here. So 7 students study French only. So we might have to write 7 here. And 8 students study Arabic. Be careful. Only is missing here. 8. So for Arabic, the whole circle is denoted by for Arabic. So this is the whole circle. The whole circle is for Arabic. This is for Arabic. So in the Arabic, 4 and 1 already here. So the total students must be 8. So total is 8 students study Arabic. It means this region is the part of the only. So 8 minus 4 minus 1 minus 0 will be 3. So 3, mark 3 here. Now, if you write 3 here, so we can say yes, 4 plus 1, 5, 6, 7, and 8 students study Arabic. And we can say 3 study Arabic only. But this is the blank space and what is the integer here? So look at the question. There are 25 students. 25 students, the total students are 25. So total student was 25. 25, this is working for this part here. Total was 25 minus 7. 25 minus 7 minus 4. 25 minus 7 minus 4 minus 1 minus 0 minus 3 and minus 2. So you have to subtract from the total 25 minus 7, 4 minus 1, 0, 3, 5 only. 5 is 5. It's 5 missing here, 5. So when you subtracted all the integer from 25, we will get 3. So there is the answer here, 7, 3, and final answer is this. Now we have completed the Venn diagram. All the blank portion is filled here. So yes, this is part 2. This is for the probability question. In the coming videos, you will find the solution of this the topic problem probabilities. So thank you very much, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like this video, and share this video with your friends. Thank you very much.